Reclaim your strength, the teas that rebuild muscle and restore your stride. Are your legs feeling like a faded memory of their former selves, struggling to carry you with the same confidence and ease? Do you find yourself tiring more quickly, or is that feeling of unsteadiness when you stand becoming a familiar, unwelcome guest? You're certainly not alone, and it's important to understand that these changes aren't just an inevitable part of getting older. Recent groundbreaking research has revealed that specific natural teas possess the remarkable ability to actively help rebuild leg strength, significantly improve blood flow throughout your body, combat inflammation that can cause stiffness and pain, and even provide a substantial boost to your energy levels, all without the need for pills or strenuous exercise routines. The best part? These powerful allies are incredibly simple to incorporate into your daily life, entirely safe and robustly backed by scientific evidence. Consider a long-term study conducted in Japan, which meticulously followed thousands of older adults and discovered a compelling correlation. Those who consistently enjoyed green tea were demonstrably more likely to maintain their muscle strength and physical balance as they aged. This isn't just theory, it's a visible reality. Take the legendary Japanese sprinter Hideichi Miyazaki, for instance, who attributed his ability to continue running well past his 100th birthday in part to his daily ritual of drinking green tea. In this guide, we're going to unveil the top 3 teas specifically chosen for seniors aiming to enhance leg strength and reignite their energy. Each tea has been rigorously selected and fact-checked by a dedicated team of health researchers, ensuring you receive reliable and trustworthy information. And for those who stay with us until the very end, we'll reveal an unexpected tea ingredient that you've likely never encountered before, yet it has been proven to supercharge circulation and effectively combat muscle fatigue in older adults. You absolutely won't want to miss this. Let's embark on this journey to renewed vitality. The subtle yet profound impact of these infusions on our physical capabilities cannot be overstated. For many, the gradual decline in leg strength and stamina can feel like an insurmountable obstacle, isolating them from activities they once cherished, from simple walks in the park to playing with grandchildren. It's a common experience, yet one that can be actively managed and even reversed with the right approach. The scientific community has been increasingly turning its attention to the power of natural remedies, seeking to uncover the secrets held within plants that have been utilized for centuries in traditional medicine. This renewed interest is fueled by the desire to find gentle, effective, and sustainable solutions for age-related physical challenges. The research into green tea's benefits for maintaining muscle mass and balance is particularly compelling. Studies have consistently shown that the catechins present in green tea, especially epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, not only act as powerful antioxidants, but also play a role in muscle function and metabolism. They can help protect muscle cells from damage and potentially improve mitochondrial efficiency, the powerhouses of our cells, leading to better energy production. This translates directly into legs that feel stronger, more responsive, and less prone to the fatigue that can limit daily activities. Beyond the cellular level, the impact on overall well-being is equally significant. When our physical capabilities diminish, it often impacts our mental and emotional state as well. A loss of confidence, increased anxiety about falling, and a general reduction in independence can all stem from weakening legs. By addressing the physical foundation, these teas offer a pathway to regaining not just strength, but also a sense of empowerment and freedom. The anecdotal evidence, like that of Hideichi Miyazaki, while not a substitute for scientific study, provides powerful inspiration and underscores the potential of consistent, natural practices. His remarkable longevity and continued athleticism linked to his green tea consumption offer a tangible example of what is possible. It's a testament to the idea that aging doesn't have to mean a decline in physical prowess, but can instead be a journey of sustained vitality, supported by wise lifestyle choices. This guide is designed to demystify these potent beverages, breaking down the science in an accessible way and providing practical advice for integration into your daily life. We aim to equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your health and well-being, and to empower you to take proactive steps towards a stronger, more energized future. The information presented here is the culmination of diligent research and expert review, ensuring that the recommendations are not only effective but also safe and reliable for seniors. Prepare to discover how simple changes in your daily beverage choices can lead to remarkable transformations in how you move, feel, and experience life. Ginger turmeric tea, a warm embrace for aching legs and lingering fatigue. Imagine the comforting warmth of a steaming cup of ginger turmeric tea, a simple beverage that holds the potential to be a true game changer for older adults seeking to strengthen their legs and experience a natural, revitalizing surge of energy. If you've noticed your legs feeling heavy, as if they're dragging you down, or if you find yourself breathless by the time you conquer a flight of stairs, this particular tea could very swiftly become a cherished part of your daily routine. The remarkable effectiveness of this drink stems from a powerful synergy. Ginger and turmeric are two of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory roots. When combined, they do more than simply impart a soothing, comforting flavor to your tea. They actively work to alleviate the inflammation that commonly leads to stiff joints, persistent aches, and the debilitating fatigue that can plague muscles. For many seniors, it's not just the weakness of their muscles that hinders their mobility, but also the persistent discomfort and swelling that often follow even the slightest physical activity. Ginger turmeric tea directly addresses the root cause of this problem. Furthermore, its benefits don't cease there. Ginger contains natural compounds known as gingerols, which scientific studies have demonstrated can significantly improve blood circulation. Think of your legs as finely tuned, hard-working machines. They require a consistent and abundant supply of oxygen-rich blood to remain strong and to effectively repair themselves after the daily wear and tear they endure. When blood circulation begins to slow, your muscles are deprived of essential nutrients, which is precisely when feelings of fatigue and unsteadiness start to creep in. Incorporating ginger tea into your regular routine can gently enhance blood flow, revitalizing your legs and instilling a greater sense of confidence with every step you take. Now let's turn our attention to turmeric. This vibrant golden spice is renowned for its active compound, curcumin, which is celebrated for its profound ability to combat inflammation, protect muscle tissue from deterioration, and even support the recovery process after physical exertion. If you experience popping sounds in your knees when you stand or feel persistent soreness after even a short walk, the curcumin in turmeric can effectively calm these discomforts. By reducing inflammation, your muscles are finally able to perform their crucial functions optimally, stabilizing your body, providing essential support, and powering every movement you make. Here's a fact that many people often overlook. This tea offers more than just physical benefits for your legs. It also provides a gentle yet noticeable energy boost. Unlike the often jittery effects of coffee, ginger naturally supports your metabolism, helping your body convert food into usable energy more efficiently. Instead of experiencing sluggishness after lunch or feeling the urge for an afternoon nap, you might find yourself feeling more alert, more motivated, and perhaps even inclined to take that short walk or perform those simple leg stretches you've been intending to do. Preparing this beneficial tea at home is remarkably straightforward. All you need are a few thin slices of fresh ginger root, a teaspoon of ground turmeric or fresh turmeric if you can source it, and hot water. Allow it to steep for approximately 10 minutes, then add a tiny pinch of black pepper. This crucial addition significantly enhances your body's absorption of curcumin. For a touch of sweetness, feel free to add a little honey or a squeeze of lemon. And that's it. You've just created a simple yet powerful healing tea that actively supports your leg strength, your energy levels, and your overall sense of well-being. While some individuals report noticing benefits within just a few days, for others, it may take a couple of weeks to experience the full effects. But remember, consistency is the absolute key. Consuming 1 cup daily, particularly in the morning, can work wonders in improving how your legs feel and significantly boosting your energy throughout the day. In traditional Indian households, turmeric and ginger tea have been utilized for generations to maintain joint flexibility and alleviate everyday aches and pains. Even contemporary athletes, such as NBA star Stephen Curry, have publicly shared their use of turmeric as an integral part of their recovery regimen. While you don't need to train like a professional athlete, incorporating a cup of this tea into your daily life can provide your muscles and joints with a comparable level of gentle, supportive care. Therefore, if you are genuinely committed to strengthening your legs, reducing discomfort, and introducing a natural uplift to your energy levels, ginger turmeric tea represents one of the most accessible and enjoyable starting points. The synergistic properties of ginger and turmeric are deeply rooted in their ability to target inflammation, a silent saboteur of mobility and comfort in later years. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerful polyphenol that has been the subject of extensive scientific research due to its broad-spectrum anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities. It works by inhibiting various inflammatory pathways in the body, effectively dampening the chronic, low-grade inflammation that can contribute to conditions like arthritis and general muscle soreness. This reduction in inflammation not only alleviates pain, but also allows muscle tissues to function more efficiently and to repair themselves more effectively. Ginger, with its distinct spicy warmth, contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which also possess significant anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Beyond its direct anti-inflammatory effects, ginger's contribution to improved circulation is crucial for leg strength. Enhanced blood flow means that oxygen and vital nutrients are delivered more effectively to muscle cells, while metabolic waste products are efficiently removed. This improved microcirculation is essential for maintaining muscle health, preventing the onset of fatigue, and promoting faster recovery after physical activity. The combination of these two roots creates a potent elixir that addresses both the discomfort and the reduced functionality often associated with aging legs. The subtle energy boost is another welcome benefit, stemming from ginger's ability to support digestive health and metabolism. A more efficient metabolism means that the body can convert food into energy more readily, contributing to sustained vitality without the jitters or subsequent crash associated with stimulants like caffeine. This makes ginger turmeric tea an ideal beverage for starting the day or for a mid-afternoon pick-me-up, providing a natural lift that supports continued activity. The ease of preparation further enhances its appeal. It requires minimal effort and readily available ingredients. The inclusion of black pepper, often overlooked, is a critical element for maximizing the benefits of turmeric. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, has been shown to increase the bioavailability of curcumin by as much as 2000%, meaning your body can absorb and utilize significantly more of this beneficial compound. This simple addition transforms a good tea into a truly exceptional one, unlocking the full potential of turmeric's healing properties. The consistent daily consumption is paramount, as the benefits are cumulative, building over time to create lasting improvements in mobility and energy. It's a gentle yet powerful intervention that honors the body's natural processes, offering a tangible path towards regaining strength and comfort in your legs, allowing you to move through life with greater ease and confidence. Ginseng green tea, a revitalizing blend for tired legs and drained energy. Now, let's transition to something truly revitalizing. Ginseng green tea. If you've been feeling utterly drained lately, as if your legs falter midway through the day, or if you simply can't seem to muster the enthusiasm or energy to keep moving, this tea might be precisely what your body has been silently requesting. Ginseng green tea functions as a gentle yet effective wake-up call for your entire system, your muscles, your brain, and indeed, those weary legs. The exceptional quality of this blend lies in its combination of two potent natural ingredients. Firstly, we have green tea, which is brimming with antioxidants and natural energy-boosting compounds. Secondly, we incorporate ginseng, a root